Animal Kingdom.
And what are we gonna do today?
Have fun with my big company because Marla does.
Daddy had to work today though, right? But let's go have some fun.
Yep. Let's do this. Woohoo!
Produce. He's back there, he or she. So it's find the animals. As you can see, sitting in the shade. True Floridian. See this? An iguana, but it's a rhinoceros iguana. And thankfully, is he easy to spot?
What's his name?
Very cool.
Olha pra mamãe.
Found Kevin.
Should we get one like all of us together with the bird? I think we all need to get in there. I think we have to get in there.
So Lily, as you're getting ready for the day with your suntan, well, sunblock, right? What are we waiting here for?
Bird some.
The bird kind of flight show? What's it called? Winged Encounters, right?
Yep.
And it happens where? At the Tree of Life? And I think they land over here. So we'll wait and see. Does anybody remember what the name of this animal is? I know it's in Tangled, I think. Is it Pascal? And there's a ram right there. Go for it.
Discovery Island travelers, in moments, the sky will come alive with color as a variety of vibrant macaws join together, creating winged encounters. We encourage you to gather around our Asian specialists at the base of the Tree of Life for a unique journey of discovery. One
that way.
you can't see anywhere else except in the wild. Welcome to Winged Encounters.
There they are.
Hello everybody over at Discovery Island. Heads up! Wow! Thank you all so much. We've got some amazing birds joining us for Winged Encounters. We've already gotten started, so if you'd like to join us, right here in front of us is the perfect place to be. The closer you are to us, the more likely you are to have birds flying right over the tops of your heads. My name is Lizzie, and I'm joined with my fellow avian trainers and conservationists today. We also have Caitlin, and out there in the crowd with you, helping everybody become bird trainers for the day, is Taylor and Natalie. We have three wonderful birds that have been here. Over there on the opposite side is Edith, and she's a military macaw. And then we also have Serenity, who's a blue friends next to her, that's Annie, and Annie is a scarlet macaw. All three of them have just flown from over half a mile away to come down and see us. And you may have noticed when they landed here, especially with Caitlin, we gave them all sorts of yummy treats for coming down and saying hi. Now, the way that we train our birds to know how to come to this location, since we are so far away from their aviaries, is by training them with positive reinforcement. So hopefully it looks like Edith might make the choice to come out to those perches right over there. And there she goes. So she's going to get a nice snack for doing that. Usually something that comes in a nutshell, like a peanut or an almond. And that convenience kid said, hey, thank you so much for interacting with us today. They'll have all of you get up close experience with their birds. And we also have a positive relationship with that as well. Now, birds like this are pretty well known because oftentimes people will see how beautiful a macaw is, how intelligent they can be, and that kind of attracts them to bring one of them into their homes as a pet. And we're here to tell you, as a team of people who work full-time with a lot of macaws every single day, none of us have a macaw in our own homes. And there are a lot of good reasons for that. One, they're just really loud. They kind of shook it off a little bit as they were coming in and once they landed. And if you thought that was loud when they came in, imagine a noise like that in the four walls of your home. It definitely gets amplified to a point where it's not as desirable. They're also really messy, destructive. They poop like every 20 to 30 minutes while they're awake, so that's a lot of cleanup. And then all those things are about 50 to 60 years, sometimes even longer. So we definitely recommend you just come and check them out at places like Disney's Animal Kingdom instead of trying to bring a bird like a macaw into your homes as a pet. Now, if you are just walking on by, see us over here on the roofs of the Tree of Life, we've got a couple minutes left of show here at Winged Encounters. We've got 3 wonderful birds here. And don't also get your phones and jammers out if you're just joining us. You are just coming on in because my favorite part of the show hasn't even happened yet. In fact, we don't just work with 3 birds and 3 different species. We work with a lot of different species of macaw every single day. We've only got 3 of them out here right now, but we work with 8 different species, including some that are incredibly rare out in the wild. It's a privilege to share these birds with you because as common as they seem, birds like this are not doing well in wild places. In fact, we work with a bird that is so rare, called the blue-throated macaw, that there's fewer than 400 of them left in the wild right now. Now, blue-throated macaws are only found in one place in wild places, down in South America in the country of Bolivia. They're found in a very small portion of that country called the flooded savannas. And down there they're faced with deforestation and the illegal pet trade. Even though birds like this do not make good pets. So we have partnered up with the World Heritage Trust, and they're working on breeding blue-throated macaws in hopes that their offspring can be released into the wild someday. And we can see skies full of macaws out in wild places that look just like this.
We are going on Lily's favorite show. We're going to Lily's favorite show. Baby elephant. So we were at the Bug's Life show. Lily, what's your favorite part of the show? The spiders?
None.
None? Not even the glasses?
None.
Being with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flick!
Fireflies! Fireflies! Perfect. Oh, hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bug. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. I hate it.
Oh, sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is impressive.
Paul! Come on, keep on coming, She's on a roll.
Hey, what are you guys trying to pull? Watch it!
Messing up my act. Hold still.
Back off. In case you hadn't noticed, all right? You missed!
Ready? Andy! Oh! And he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I'm a lean defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
What kind of play?
Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No! They're not intruders. No. They're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made them honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy. You're over your target, Black Widow Spider. Jump! Back off, spiders.
It's a piece of cake.
And hold these! Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show.
She whined, but didn't cry. Did you cry when the spiders came out, Lily? No. Tell mommy what you were doing.
Hiding.
You were hiding? You were taking a? Okay. Taking a nap. Yeah. Well, bye Dory. Bye Nemo. So another travesty has happened,
Another travesty.
and there it is.
Oh, wait.
Oh. Okay, Lil. What are we doing now? We're going to Pandora? Okay. All right, flight of passage, here we come.
Doesn't look so cute.
Oh, he's a keeper. I think the backpack suits his personality.
Right. You've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in. Amber, let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee.
Hi. Where are we going now?
American or not.
Where? What are we going on? Safari. What's your favorite animal out there?
Gus.
Look, I see a Gus in a wild. It's in front of us.
How about me? What's our favorite animal? Gus.
Gus, Gus.
Arms, feet, legs, and a moment that's related to the zebra. Do not let the stripes fool you. That is the only living relative of the giraffe. Now they are very shy, and it took until 1901 for the Western civilizations to discover them in Africa. Now they will copy like a giraffe eyeball. Now you can try to the person sitting next to you, I'm not sure how they're going to feel, but it's going to give me a good life. The early morning and the evening hours. Alright, let's head over towards the Nile crocodile. Now they reach a length on average of about 20 feet long, and their jaws are powerful enough they can crush the bones of their prey with ease. Now they'll sit on the riverbanks and they have their mouths open up wide. That helps them regulate their body temperatures. They know what sweat glands like we do. I saw one on there. I think it was the greatest thing. They are the official emblem of the Harami Wildlife Reserve, based off their fighting spirit. Now they gather in groups up to about 15, and they weigh upwards of 500 pounds. And we are driving. Hearing to look out for predators. Now a group of giraffes is known as a if for the lunch was a moment you're all waiting for today, that is the backside of a giraffe. I know what you're thinking back there, it does look giraffic. The event, that is spelled G-N-U. But also hanging out by the water, it looks like we have also found Dwayne Johnson. In case you cannot tell, we have found a rock by the water. All the flamingo species, when they are born, they are going to have gray feathers. Now, their diet consists of mostly brine shrimp, so the more the shrimp that they eat as they mature, the darker shade of pink their feathers turn with time. Now that shrimp is in the water, so they have to put their heads in the water. That's how they search for their food. Upwards of 5,000 pounds, and these guys like to live in a more group social setting. Now, rhinos in general can charge up to 35 miles an hour, and they're poached very heavily for that keratin horn on their forehead. A spotted cheetah. Now, the cheetahs are the fastest land mammals on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 62 miles an hour. They're probably true about the time they got on flight of passage of the 5-minute wait in no lightning lane, but it might have just been in their dreams. I would be lying if you're thinking about probably lion stuff. They have the right idea, though. A Saturday afternoon cat nap must be a lion's life. Goats are good to get a lot of the underbrush the bigger animals just can't really reach. So it shows you how every animal plays its part in maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Looks like a bunch of happy goats, though, if you were to ask.
Here's the baby Okapi.
Come on over, sir.
See it?
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he's moving down.
Having to be in an exhibit with birds.
Yes.
What are the chances of that?
interest, are we?
No.
Not today. Not today. Maybe next time. It's a pretty good ride. 75-minute wait though, hey?
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. You can hear the screams.
Turtles over here. No, there's a duck.
Nesting stork.
Nesting.
Not a duck.
No.
A stork, he says. Don't call me a duck. Ooh.
It's guarding.
Yes.
It's guarding that. So it's like, no, you're not coming.
So I think we're going to have a shootout.
Yeah,
Of course, this was empty before. We thought we were going to win a prize, and now it's almost full. So our odds of winning have decreased greatly, unfortunately. Can we wait for the next game? So this is how it's going to go.
Okay, you guys ready?
You guys ready?
You're gonna get a practice ball, okay?
Practice ball.
Practice ball, okay? Okay. Good job.
Walk, walk.
All right.
Got it. Good job.
I got it. It's all right, Lil.
You have to push it a little bit harder.
We are 14, 15, 16.
Good job. Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Start here in 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. Okay. Mickey or Triceratops?
Who was it?
Whatever she wants.
What do you want?
Okay, you want Mickey or Triceratops?
I want Minnie.
You want Mickey? Good choice.
Thank you.
Thanks for playing our friend.
Thank you. What did you win?
A Minnie.
No, you want a Mickey. And then what happened?
I want Minnie.
You want a Minnie and Disney approves and they give it to you. You little sweet little girl. You are a very lucky individual, aren't you?
Who won it?
Yes. Who won though? Gus is the man. The winner dance.
Yep.
Thank you, Disney.
Thank you, Disney.
Especially
Wait.
the worker, right?
I want to
cast
touch a
member.
water paint now.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Water,
Okay.
water, water, water.
It'll be heavy.
Billy, do you have an extra passenger?
Our baby Triceratops.
Marla. Thank you. glad it went by fast. What was your favorite part?
Hey, look, my Marla got.
Yeah. What did you guys get to do? Lots of stuff, right?
Let's back up a little bit. What we did? Where we go?
Sorry, I got a toy, a Minnie Mouse.
You want a Minnie Mouse? So you ate?
Yep, I ate. I wanted to fly passage. A flight passage.
Yeah.
Flight passage. Yeah, we did flight
I
passage.
ate and then I lunch, but that was so nice.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Good.
And it's a beautiful night, right?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah,
Right?
it's not cold, not
No.
hot. Very
Really good
nice.
temperature.
Very nice.
So what do we gotta say to them? Hit the like button.
Like button, subscribe to my channel,
Subscribe to the channel.
and get more comments below.
Leave comments below.
Get one thumbs button. Get 1K subscribers, please. Come on.
Yep.
All right.
That's your goal, right? 1K subscribers.
Yup, 1K. I love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello, where are we?
Epcot.
We gotta do one thing here, right? We'll show you in a minute. Then we're done for the day, right? All right, let's do this.
Let's do this. Woohoo!
The dreamers and me. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young?
Here's a hint, everyone. We'll see you inside.
Spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. Up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on.
Lily wanted to find a hidden Mickey. And apparently it's this part right there. Did everybody catch that? Did you see it? Are you happy?
We all have
No.
Imagination.
So we had to come to Epcot because you were obsessed with finding this hidden Mickey in Figment, right? And it was the upside down house.
Yep.
And what part?
The toilet part.
The toilet part. Say, did everybody see it too as we were going through, you think?
Thanks, Mandy Mary Cake. Show me that picture.
Yes, thank you, Mandy Mary and Cakes, for showing us that, because now Lily found it and she's very happy she did.
Yep.
Right? All right. Good night.
Good night.
Pretty. All right, we lied. We're going to do one more thing. One last thing.
Yep.
It's hard to get out of here, isn't it?
Yep.
So it's like one more thing, right? Choose wisely, the dry or wet path. That's the dry. Yeah, I like it at night. But on a hot day, this will feel good.
Launch